Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use cotton balls to plant manila lettuce in my floating raft. Check this out guys. So right here I got some cotton balls. They come like in a bag of 100. These are the circle kind. They look like this. So what I do is I take this and I dip it in the water. Then I squeeze this out and the cotton ball looks like that. Alright, so what I found out is that I need 2 per plant. Okay, so I separated them out. I got my manila lettuce ready to go. They're right here, the seedlings. They came out of a pot like that. And then this is what I do guys. So I flatten this out and I put them down. Then I take the manila lettuce and I set them up right there. So I curl this up a little bit so that it holds the manila lettuce like this. Check this out. And then I grab him and I put him right here on the other one, another cotton ball, just so that it's a little thicker. Then I grab him up like this. So this is what my manila lettuce plant looks like. Then I bring him over here to my floating raft. Alright guys, check this out. Then I make sure that the roots go down to the center. I place them inside the floating raft gently. Try not to break these stems here. And this cotton ball, as long as it touches that water in the bottom, it'll stay moist. And it'll keep the roots moist down here so that your manila lettuce will start to grow. Alright, that's what I do. So once again guys, check it out. Got my cotton ball, I dipped it in water, and I flattened this down. Grab my manila lettuce seedling here, my manila lettuce plant, put them in there, and gently wrap the root. Then I have another one like this, another cotton ball, and it's flat. Put him down. Place them in there like that, just so that they fit down into the floating raft. Alright, so I just put it right in there. Look at it, guys. Good angle on this, guys. So, see that, guys? Alright. Now, if you want to use it for a net cup, you just have to add more cotton balls, but not having good luck with that on the net cups right now. I'll figure it out. Once again, take a cotton ball, dip them in water, and then flatten them out. Take another cotton ball, dip it in water, flatten that out. I'm going to place them inside here. Wrap the roots up a little bit. The other one there like that. Just to make the top thicker so that it'll fit into the floating raft. Then I come over to my floating raft. Place it right down. Make sure the roots go down in the hole, guys. Like that. Alright guys, there's some of my other manila lettuce. They're still growing. Right now you can still eat this guy. They grow a little bit bigger, they'll bolt and they'll have seeds. So I'll show you right here. They'll have seeds like that. Once they grow like this guys, don't eat the leaves because they'll be too bitter. Alright guys, hope you guys liked that video. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. There's my manila lettuce growing right now. And you can see my other floating raft. Some other video I was comparing it to pool noodles. And I put them right here like this. And I planted another tray. They usually take about a month and a half to grow up to where you can eat them. If they're small like this, you can eat them. If they're small like this, you can still eat them. So you don't have much, but they taste really good. Alright. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Support the channel, guys. Alright. Thank you.